Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to create an account on Domino's Pizza. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the actual Domino's Pizza application for your country. Now when you did that, you just need to go and follow these few steps that I'll be showing you to know how to create an account on Domino's Pizza. So as you can see here, when we enter the app, you can go and firstly log into your account and start your ordering, where you can click on sign in, or you can go and click on you don't have a pizza profile yet, create one in seconds, and you have the sign up option. Or you can just go and click on the scene menu, or you can go and change your languages. Of course, now we are creating an account, so the button that we will be clicking is the red sign up button. Now, when you do that, you just need to fill this with your information. Well, guys, just so you know, the information that I will be putting is for the sake of this video and are not real information. So you have to put your first name, your last name, your email address, just a second, your phone number, your password. You need to confirm your password. Of course, you have to have everything that they tell you to have. And then when you have everything, just a second. I messed up my password, sorry. Now when you put in your passwords, click continue and your account will be created, where you can then go and put your referral code, and that's basically that. So guys, that is everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.